Right around the top end of the arena. Line up with these ramps. He wants as much speed as he can get. Oh, he's charging towards those ramps. Up he goes. Oh, that was a hell of an impact there, folks. That's Tony's idea of double parking there. That's a fancy bit. Gator, nice and tight into the fence, and over the power one more time. It's a good line, is it quick enough? Up he goes. Oh, right. Mad Mikey at the ready. Let's get that ball ablaze then. There he goes, keep your eyes on this. Bobo, move it, get him through. What are you doing? Bobo, he's dropped him in the fire. Hey, look at this. Mad Mikey is well ablaze. Look at this as he's legging it down the arena. Twisting and turning. I'm getting out of the way. I can feel the heat from him from here. Look at that. Right on up to the top end he goes. Look at the distance that guy's got, folks. He's down. The guy's trying to get him excited. This is a crazy move, but let's see how we get on. Scott May, world record holder. I think he's going to even equal or beat his own world record. I've seen him beat it many times, but not on such a rough surface as this. Here he comes. There's the manoeuvre. On with the power. And straight in with a spin. One more time. Get your hands together, folks. World record holder. Scott May. Here he goes, in line, on how about that? Let's see if we can get it a bit higher.